Bennie Masters lecture The All-Pervading Spirit and the Return to Truth. Dear Dharma friends, have you ever wondered why we remain adrift in samsara, unaware of our true nature? Today, with the wisdom of the Shurangama Sutra, we explore how we've ignored the unchanging spirit, mistaken illusions for truth, and how awakening reveals our pure essence. Let's step into this assembly of true understanding together. The 6 entrances. Consciousness arises from the spirit, illusory as a dream. The Buddha told Ananda, the 6 entrances: eye consciousness, ear consciousness, nose consciousness, tongue consciousness, body consciousness, and mind consciousness are fundamentally the spirit. You should know they're mere illusory concepts, born of repeated conditioning and definition since beginningless time, karmic manifestations like dreams or mirages. Dear friends, these 6 seem real, yet they're shadows cast by the spirit. We cling to sights and sounds, unaware they spring from the spirit, lacking inherent reality. The 12 sense fields, roots and dusts intertwine, all illusory. The Buddha continued, the 12 sense fields, the 6 sense faculties, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body, mind, and 6 sense objects, form, sound, smell, taste, touch, phenomena, are also the spirit. They're illusory concepts, formed by repeated conditioning and definition, karmic appearances like dreams or mirages. Friends, eyes see form, ears hear sound. These root dust interactions are fleeting. We chase externals, forgetting the spirit as their source, mere bubbles on its surface. The 18 realms, faculties, objects, and consciousness, a fabrication. The Buddha further taught, the 18 realms, the 6 faculties, 6 objects, and 6 consciousnesses are likewise the spirit. These are illusory concepts, shaped by repeated conditioning and definition, karmic constructs like dreams or mirages. Consider this: eye meets form to birth eye consciousness. Mind meets phenomena to birth mind consciousness. These 18 realms seem distinct, but they're the spirit's play of karma. Lost in them, we miss their illusory nature. The 7 elements, the universe's essence, the pure spirit. The Buddha struck at the core, Ananda. You've never realized that the 7 elements, earth, water, fire, wind, seeing, consciousness, and space, are the spirit. The spirit, inherently pure, is the essence of the cosmos. These 7, too, are illusory concepts, born of repeated conditioning and definition, karmic manifestations like dreams or mirages. Dear ones, earth's solidity, water's flow, fire's heat, wind's motion, seeing, knowing, and space, all are functions of the spirit. We see mountains and rivers as real, ignoring the spirit as their true foundation, mere phantoms within it. Awakening, the spirit fills the cosmos, the body a mere bubble. At that moment, Ananda and the assembly, hearing the Buddha's words, awoke with clarity. They realized the spirit pervades the universe, seeing worlds as grains of sand in hand, all arising from the spirit and karma. Their bodies were like bubbles in a vast sea. Bowing with joined palms, they experienced the unprecedented. Friends, in that instant, They shed petty selfhood, beholding the Spirit's boundlessness, illusions unreal, all phenomena the Spirit's wondrous play. Conclusion: dispelling illusions to reveal truth, fulfilling complete enlightenment. Dear friends, the Spirit abides unchanging, the 6 entrances, 12 sense fields, 18 realms, and 7 elements are dreamlike illusions. With the 10 good deeds to purify the faculties, and unwavering concentration to cut through delusion, illusions fade, truth shines. May we follow the Shurangama's true path, distinguish truth from delusion to awaken the true mind, and fulfill the imperishable wonder of complete enlightenment. Thank you all for sharing this joy of the Dharma.